Looking to stitch up a storm and unleash your inner fashionista? Well, look no further than our guide to the best sewing machines on the market. We've scoured the threads of the internet and sewn together a collection of top-notch machines that will have you creating stunning masterpieces in no time. From beginners to seasoned pros, we've got something for everyone. So dust off those old-fashioned dreams and get ready to stitch with style. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Janome Blue Couture, our pick for best budget sewing machine. This little gem is not only functional but also adds a pop of color to your sewing space with its unique shades like Arctic Crystal, Couture Blue, and Pink Sorbet. Who says sewing can't be stylish? Now let's talk about the features that make the Janome Blue Couture stand out from the rest. With 15 built-in stitches, a 4-step buttonhole stitch, and a front-loading bobbin system, this machine has all the essentials for your sewing projects. And let's not forget the removable free arm with concealed accessory storage, perfect for keeping everything tidy and organized. But what really sets this machine apart is its performance. Threading the machine, changing needles, selecting stitch patterns, and adjusting speed and tension are all a breeze. And with the 3-piece feed dog system, your fabric will glide smoothly through the machine, no matter how intricate your design may be. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the front-loading bobbin. While it may pose some challenges for beginners, once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing from there. Whether you're a seasoned sewist looking for a budget-friendly option, or a beginner ready to dive into the world of sewing, the Janome Blue Couture is the machine for you. Number 4. Serger Heavy Duty, our pick for best sewing machine for beginners. With its heavy-duty metal frame, this machine provides stability and long-lasting durability that will withstand even the toughest sewing projects. Included in the package are all the essentials: an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper, lint brush, edge quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin, and spool pin felt. Don't worry about misplacing them either, because they are conveniently stored in the accessory tray. Plus, a soft-sided dust cover is included to keep your machine clean and protected when not in use. One of the standout features of this sewing machine is its built-in reverse lever. Need to reinforce stitches? No problem. Simply use the reverse stitch function to sew backwards and secure your seams. It's a small feature that makes a big difference in the quality and longevity of your sewing projects. But what truly makes the Serger heavy-duty sewing machine the best choice for beginners is its ease of use. With 110 stitch applications, you have endless possibilities to explore and experiment with. Whether you're sewing clothing, home decor, or even quilts, this machine has you covered. With its heavy-duty construction, abundant accessories, and user-friendly features, it provides everything you need to dive into the world of sewing with confidence. Still searching for the perfect sewing machine? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3, Brother CS7000X, our pick for best Serger sewing machine. With its impeccable performance and nifty features, this Serger sewing machine is undoubtedly the best companion for your fabric fantasies. Let's start with the basics. This Brother Serger comes pre-assembled and threaded, ready to dive straight into creating flawless overlock stitches. No more wasting hours on complicated setups. And if you're a newbie to the world of serging, fear not. For the comprehensive owner's manual and handy diagrams make threading a breeze. Now let's talk versatility. While predominantly designed for edging finish fabrics, the CS7000X is like a multi-talented artist, effortlessly adjusting to your every whim. The responsive machine allows you to fine-tune thread tension, stitch length, and width with ease, ensuring every stitch is perfect, no matter the project. Plus, its compact size means it can snugly fit into any sewing space, making it perfect for crafters big or small. But what truly sets the Brother CS7000X apart is its impeccable stitch quality. You'll be amazed at how flawlessly it finishes seams, preventing fraying before it even has a chance to rear its ugly head. Whether you're working with delicate fabrics or heavy-duty materials, this machine handles them all with finesse. Its effortless setup, extensive features, and exceptional stitch quality make it a must-have for any enthusiastic creator. Number 2. Serger 9960, our pick for best quilting machine. The Serger Quantum Stylist. 9960 is not your average sewing machine. It's a powerhouse of creativity, a magician of precision, and the ultimate dream machine for any quilting enthusiast. With its impressive 1,172 stitch applications, you have endless possibilities to express your artistic vision. One of the standout features of the 9960 is its automatic needle threader. No more squinting and fumbling with a tiny needle. This machine does it all for you. It threads the needle with a swift flick, leaving you with more time to focus on your masterpiece. But what truly sets the 9960 apart is its quilting capabilities. With its high-speed sewing, you can quickly bring your quilting ideas to life. The machine glides effortlessly, tackling multiple layers with ease. Whether you're working on a small project or a grand quilt, the 9960 can handle it all. And let's not forget the accessories. The included presser feet are a dream come true for quilters. The even feed walking foot ensures even stitching on bulky fabric, while the satin stitch foot adds that perfect finishing touch. With the variety of feet provided, you'll be able to tackle any quilting technique you desire. Its ease of use, extensive stitch selection, and quilting-specific features make it a must-have for any quilting enthusiast. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Brother CS7000X, our pick for best sewing machine overall. With its 70 unique built-in stitches, this machine offers versatility like no other. Whether you're working on utility, decorative, heirloom, or quilting projects, the CS7000X has got you covered. Plus, it includes 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes, making button sewing a breeze. One of the standout features of this machine is the improved needle threader. It's never been easier to thread your needle, thanks to the automatic needle threader. No more squinting and struggling to see the eye of the needle. This machine takes care of it for you. And with the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, loading your bobbin is a quick and easy process, ensuring it stays securely in place throughout your sewing projects. The CS7000X doesn't just come with the essentials, it comes with a wide range of useful accessories. This sewing machine is built to last thanks to its durable metal frame construction. It can tackle any project you throw at it. And with the needle fixed in place, you're guaranteed cleaner stitching and even lines. From the protective hard case to the quilt guide and 10 sewing feet, you'll have everything you need to take your sewing to the next level. With its wide range of stitches, user-friendly features, and durable construction, it's a machine that will take your sewing and quilting projects to new heights. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best sewing machines. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which sewing machine you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.